the day I fell sick. I woke up this morning with a little itch in my throat. I scratched it from outside, but it did not help because the itch was inside. I went to Mommy and Poppy and told them about my little itch. They asked me to drink water to gulp down this silly little itch. They didn't mention if the water should be hot or cold. So I went for my favorite, icy cold water. It almost felt like the water made my itch in the throat grow. Mommy and Poppy looked at me feeling worried.
Avivi, what is happening?
Nothing, Poppy. I just woke up with a little itch and a little pain in my throat. So, just like you suggested, I drank icy cold water to make the itch go.
What? Who asked you to drink cold water?
You both did. Mommy and Poppy looked at me angrily. Then I smiled and confessed that they asked me to drink water, but drinking cold water was my decision. Poppy quickly grabbed his phone and put on the flashlight.
Okay, come on Avivi. Stand here and say ah.
I did as I was told. Ah! Poppy looked inside my throat and then at my mommy. What happened, Poppy? Tell me.
Looks like Avivi has got a throat infection.
That explains the itch, the throat pain, and the cough.
Does that mean I'm unwell?
Yes, Avivi. No going to the school today. We will go to the doctor and get you some medicines. Okay?
That was one good news and one bad news. I liked skipping school sometimes, so that was definitely good news. But the bad news was going to the doctor. Imon once told me doctors give big fat injections to all the naughty kids. I knew I was naughty early this morning when I drank icy cold water. So now I'm worried. The doctor will give me a big injection.
Snap out, Avivi. Come, let's go to the doctor.
Mommy and Poppy quickly drove me to our family doctor. By then, I had started coughing and coughing. As soon as we met the doctor, she asked me to say "Ah" and flashed a torchlight inside my mouth. Then she took a thermometer and held it in front of my forehead.
The throat infection looks bad, Avivi. She also has some fever. It's good that you skipped school today. I'll prescribe some medicines, give them to her 3 times a day. And Avivi, if you think the medicines will be too bitter, then I can also give you a big injection.
No. I promise I will eat the medicines. The doctor smiled.
Good.
Thank you,
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
Mommy, Poppy and I quickly went back home. Now I was feeling weaker than before. My throat just didn't stop itching and hurting, and my body also started shivering.
Avivi, go to your room and lie down. I will quickly get you some hot food, okay?
And I will bring you your medicines, okay?
Mommy, Poppy, May I lie down in your bed today?
Yes, my
beta.
darling.
Why not?
I smiled and quickly went to rest in Mommy and Poppy's bedroom. Here's a secret between you and I. Please don't tell my mommy or Poppy, alright? I chose their bedroom because they have a big TV in their room. Mommy and Poppy entered the room with hot soup, medicines, 5 sweaters, and 2 blankets.
Avivi, we will be by your side all day today. Do not worry, okay? You will be fine very, very soon.
I simply nodded because every time I tried to talk, only the cough came out. They saw me shiver with cold. So, Poppy quickly made me wear 2 sweaters and tucked me under the thickest blanket. Mommy fed me some hot soup, but I could hardly taste it. Mommy, why is the soup tasting so weird?
It's the taste in your mouth, Avivi, that's making you feel that way. Have the soup now because you should not take medicines on an empty stomach.
I nodded and coughed once again. I didn't feel very hungry, so halfway through it, I told Mommy, "That's enough of soup. I feel full. Mommy, Poppy, may I watch some TV, please?" Mommy and Poppy readily agreed. Being sick was now starting to feel like a lot of fun. I got to skip school today and I'm allowed to watch TV lying in their bed. The doctor was also kind enough to not give me a big fat injection. I think I should fall sick at least once in every 2 months.
Avivi, okay, now pay attention. I'm crushing your medicine and mixing it with honey. So, you must eat it without being fussy, okay?
I nodded, coughed, and thought, I love my Poppy so much. I ate a spoonful of medicine only because it was mixed with honey and didn't taste bitter like the soup. Mommy and Poppy laid on either side of me and all of us watched the TV. After a while, my eyes started burning. Mommy, Poppy, my eyes are burning and I'm feeling very weak.
I'll switch the TV off, Avivi. It's better to not stress your eyes.
I nodded and shut my eyes. Mommy, Poppy, how does one get throat infection?
Cold water, ice cream, ice popsicles.
Does that mean I should never eat an ice cream?
No, Avivi. You should not eat or drink anything cold when there is already an itch in your throat.
So, where does the itch come from?
My dear, maybe someone in your school or on the road coughed next to you. That's when unknowingly the germs must have been passed on to you.
That was the last thing I heard before falling asleep. I woke up and realized it was already night outside. Mommy, Poppy, did I really sleep all day?
Yes, my baby. Now, do you feel all right?
Poppy checked my temperature and smiled.
Good. So there's no fever.
And how about your itch, Avivi?
That's when I remembered I hadn't coughed since I woke up, and my throat also stopped itching. Mommy, Poppy, I feel absolutely all right. You know what? Falling sick was kind of fun. I got to watch TV lying in your bed, and Mommy fed me food after so many days. And I even got to skip school. Mommy and Poppy smiled, but quickly started coughing one by one. Mommy, Poppy, do you feel an itch in your throat too? Mommy and Poppy nodded. I felt bad. I think my germs must have hop, skipped and jumped into Mommy and Poppy's throats. Mommy, Poppy, you both lie down and rest. I know what to do now, so I will take good care of you. I tucked them both in the thickest blanket, crushed some medicine, mixed it with honey, and fed them. I'll call Big Mommy and ask her to get some hot soup. Until then, you both lie down and rest.
Vivi, is it okay if we watch some TV?
No! It will make your eyes burn. Just shut your eyes and rest. Big Mommy will come with the soup anytime now. They smiled and coughed a little more. I grabbed my favorite storybook and read a story to Mommy and Poppy until they fell asleep. Falling sick is not fun at all, especially not when it is your loved ones.